Hello, to all traders, and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. The main headlines as we wake up on this Tuesday is that Donald Trump is expected to just retract a little bit on his tariff pledges that he made not so long ago, which sent the markets quite lower. They're picking up slightly, especially the US indices. Earnings season is expected to be a little bit more progressive. General Motors expected to announce some good revenues, and obviously going forward, HSBC as well announcing a nice buyback program. So it is kind of getting back to normality, but we'll just have to wait and see if this tariff war does start coming to an end anytime soon. China is saying that they're going to start working with American companies, and this is obviously to avoid a recession going forward. So as you can see here on the daily chart for the Dow, just wanted to put it on the daily because after hitting this bottom just below the 37,000 area, we have now nicely crept higher. And apart from this shaky doji candle, we're seeing now that we're on a 5 to 6 winning day streak for the Dow, and actually, more importantly, getting past this 40,000 handle. So we're now progressively getting back, well, kind of back to a normal space for a lot of the stocks and indices going forward. It's kind of a little bit flat on the intraday chart. As you can see here, we had this very big peak not so long ago. Since then, quite shaky ground before picking up a little bit higher. So we'll just be waiting now if that can continue in this nicely ascending bullish channel. But obviously the RSI is a little bit flat as well, waiting for some kind of signal there. If it's starts moving lower, then it will go into a little bit of a more of a bearish divergence. So we could expect a little bit of a downturn before hopefully another surge to the upside. Similar story to the S&P as well. We go on to the daily chart. It is rebounding nicely from the pretty much March to April collapse that we've seen. Moving up now, having, as I said, apart from a couple of small red candles, having a 4 to 5 day winning streak. Obviously today we're just picking up on price action. But in all, are we going to avoid a recession? Is the Fed going to comment and say we're going to start raising rates or holding rates again, not cutting rates anymore? Is inflation going to creep higher? Is this worry of a recession going to keep this dark cloud over excuse me, over the American economy? Obviously, non-farm payroll, GDP data this week as well. Lots of information to get into. So is that going to start moving the markets? We'll have to wait and see. But as always, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals on our YouTube and Telegram channel. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.